Hello friends. Today I will discuss the effect of moon on earth, ocean and the mind. So we know life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. And there is an article in a journal called Erratic Behavior Criminal Justice Reference Service. The title is Lunar Effect, Biological Tides and Human Emotions. So before we discuss about this, let us think about the moon. What is the purpose of the moon? Moon is responsible for sprouting the seeds, for fertility in the human beings, preparation of herbs in the plants, tranquility in the nature. Coming to the effect of the moon on earth, it is like this. The position of the moon decides the new moon and the full moon. When the moon comes between the sun and earth, the earth experiences the new moon. When the earth comes between the moon and the sun, then the earth experiences the full moon. Coming to the effect of the full moon on the ocean, we find the high tides in the ocean like this. So the waves go above the surface level. And during the new moon condition, the ocean experiences the low tides like this. Means the water goes below the normal surface level, which we can see like this. There is a dip in the waves. When it comes to the human beings, the effect of moon will make the human beings more erratic in the behavior. They become more impatient while talking, while driving, while doing the things. During this period, there is disharmony between the body and brain of the human beings. And it can be observed more in the mental hospitals patients, similarly in the mentally weak persons. If the precaution is not taken by the human beings, what is going to happen is the human beings will become more anger. Once they become anger, they lose judgment, that is, they lose the thinking power whether it is right or not. Similarly, once they lose the judgment, then automatically they lose the memory. Once they lost the memory, then they lose the intellect, that is called buddhi. Once this intellect is lost, then that results into destruction of the human beings. To avoid the destruction of the human being, some of the activities are to be avoided during this new moon period and the full moon period. That is, one is controversial meetings, second is arguments, third is journeys, long journeys, fourth is high speed driving, fifth is unwanted talking. Then, how to use this new moon period and full moon period? So, this can be utilized for meditation. What are the ideal characteristics of good meditation? There are three characteristics: forgetting the mind, forgetting the body, and forgetting the world. These are the three characteristics which are to be attained by the human being for good meditation. During this new moon and the full moon duration, These three conditions are easily attained by the human being. Now we will see on what days these conditions will exist to help the human beings. Number one is from a day before new moon, and the next is on the day of new moon. Next is a day after new moon. Next, coming to the full moon, from a day before full moon, on the day of full moon, a day after full moon. Means here 3 days and here 3 days are more suitable for meditation. So suppose we take the example, suppose we take the 2022 January. January 2nd is new moon, January 1st is the previous date, and third is after new moon date. Means these 1, 2, 3 dates are ideal for meditation. Similarly, in the same month, January 16th, 17th, 18th are ideal days. That is 17th is the full moon day and 16th is a day before the full moon and 18th is a day after the full moon. Similarly, in February, that is February 1st is the new moon, whereas January 31st is the a day before the new moon and February 2nd is after the new moon. Next, similarly, same February, 16th is the full moon, 15th is the a day before the full moon, and 17th is the a day after the full moon. So these are the days which are useful for meditation in every month. In other days also meditation practice can be done, that is at three times in a day, that is sunrise time, midday time, that is 12 noon, and the other is sunset time. So human body consists of 70% of water content, so it experiences psychological changes during the new moon and full moon periods like ocean. So that is, it experiences the biological tides, that is high tides and the low tides. And during this high tides and low tides time, so there is changes in the blood pressure of the human being, and also there are changes in the heartbeat. This article, that is lunar effect biological tides and the human emotions, will clearly says that heart attacks are more dangerous than the heart attacks due to the effect of the moon on the human beings. Let me summarize once again the effect of the moon on the human beings. We find often children fighting each other during this new moon and full moon conditions. Then we also find street fightings like this due to the imbalance of the mind. And we also find the fighting between wife and husband like this. And we also find people driving at a high speed without following any rules, results in accidents. And sometimes we also see the people suffering from depression in addition to the this. other unwanted things. If we convert this period into the meditation, they benefit a lot. In fact, meditation is the best medication for many diseases.